Hi, I'm Dr. Zane Stevens. So your doctor has decided that you've reached the point where insulin therapy is required in the management of your diabetes, and he or she has prescribed an insulin pen for you to administer this therapy. There would be one of two options available to you. The first would be a pre-filled pen where the insulin is already in the pen, and once you have used all the units of insulin, the entire pen is discarded. The second option is a reusable pen. Here, there is a cartridge which contains the insulin, and once all of the units of insulin in the cartridge have been used, this is replaced, but the pen you would continue to use. We will now see that both of these pens are in fact very simple and easy to use. Before you inject, you need to make sure that you have the pen, a new needle for every injection, a disinfectant swab, and a puncture-proof container for disposing the used needles. The disposable pen has these parts: a pen cap, an insulin reservoir, a dosage indicator, the dosage dial, and an injection button. The disposable needle is protected by a cap with a pull-off tab. Then there are an inner and outer needle caps. The next step is to select where on your body you want to inject. These are the recommended sites. Make sure you choose a different site every time, at least 1 centimeter or roughly 1 finger width from the last site you used. Now prepare the pen. First, wash and dry your hands thoroughly. Remove the cap from your insulin pen, and to mix your insulin, gently roll the pen between your hands. Then turn the pen up and down 10 times, but do not shake the pen, as this can cause bubbles in the insulin. Wipe the end of the pen with a disinfectant swab, and pull off the tab from the end of the needle. The needle must be new every time you inject. Then, with the needle cap in place, attach the needle cap to the pen. Remove the outer and inner needle caps, but don't touch the needle or allow anything to touch it. Now get the pen ready to inject yourself. First, turn the dosage dial until you see 2 units in this window. Hold the pen with the needle pointing upwards and gently tap the pen. Press the injection button until a drop of insulin appears on the needle tip. If there's no drop, then repeat the process, but make sure the needle doesn't touch anything. When you have seen the drop of insulin, you are ready to inject. Now turn the dial to the number of units you are intending to inject. Clean your injection site with a disinfectant swab and insert the needle at 90 degrees to the skin. Make sure you push the needle all the way in so that the insulin reaches the fat tissue below the skin. Now push the injection button all the way down to get the full dose that you've dialed up. Count slowly to 10 to allow all of the insulin to be administered. Then pull the needle and pen straight out. Put the needle cap back on and remove it carefully from the pen, never leaving the needle attached to the pen. Throw away the needle into a puncture-proof container. When a disposable pen or cartridge is empty, it should also be thrown away. When the container is about 3/4 full, dispose of it safely at your clinic or doctor's rooms. So as you can see, it really is simple and easy to use an insulin pen. If you have any further questions about aspects we've discussed today, please feel free to contact your doctor, diabetic nurse, or pharmacist. Thank you.